Stop thinking $100 is too small, because the truth is brutal. If I gave you $1,000 today, you'd probably feel rich for a week and broke again by next month. But if I gave the right person $100, they could turn it into something that pays them again and again and again. Not because they're smarter, not because they got lucky, but because they understand one thing most people never learn: money is not for spending first. Money is for building systems. Today, I'm going to show you 5 real cash flow systems. You can start with just $100. These are not theories. These are not internet fantasies. These are systems ordinary people use every day to slowly escape paycheck-to-paycheck life. And stay till the end, because the 5th system is one of the most boring, the least talked about ways to make money. And that's exactly why it works. What is a cash flow system? A cash flow system is not I work gives, I get paid, gives, I spend it. A real system works like this. Money gives, builds a process. A process gives, produces income. Income gives, strengthens the same process. So over time you work less. The system works more. Now, let's break down 5 completely different systems. System 1. Boring money is the most powerful money. Here's the truth nobody likes hearing. Fast money disappears. Boring money grows. This first system is about predictability, not excitement. Step 1. Use $100 to buy income, not hopes. Instead of chasing high returns, you buy assets that pay regularly, even if it's small. For example, dividend ETFs, fractional stock platforms, interest-earning funds. You're not trying to get rich. You're training your brain to own income. Step 2. Automate reinvestment. Every dollar earned gets reinvested automatically. Buys more of the same asset. This is the loop. Money gives income, gives more assets, gives more income. Step 3. Protect the loop. Most people destroy this system by cashing out too early, watching daily price changes, treating it like gambling. This system works only if you ignore it and let it grow. It's slow. That's why it works. System 2. People pay to remove pain, not to be impressed. This system works because it's based on human behavior. People don't pay for talent. They pay for relief. Step 1. Identify a small, annoying problem. Not big problems, small, repeated frustrations. Examples: business owners replying to emails, managing bookings, posting content consistently, organizing customer data. Step 2. Use $100 to create a simple solution your money goes into. Software, tools, simple automation. You're not building a startup. You're building relief. Step 3. Sell the outcome, not the work. You don't say, I work X hours. You say, I make sure this problem never bothers you again. Client pays monthly. System runs daily. That's a loop. System 3. Knowledge is useless until IT's packaged. Most people know more than they think. They just never structure it. Step 1. Pick one thing you've already figured out. Not expert level, just something you solved. Saving money, organizing work, learning a skill. Using a tool efficiently. Step 2. Spend $100 to turn it into a process you use money to. Organize it. Make it clear. Make it repeatable. Checklists, guides, frameworks. Step 3. Share it where people are already searching you. Don't beg people. You show up where problems already exist. Income comes in. You improve the system. This is how a one-time effort becomes ongoing income. System 4. Attention is rented. Systems are owned. This system uses time leverage. Step 1. Choose one platform, one topic. Not everywhere. One place. YouTube, blog, social platform. One topic people care about. Step 2. Invest $100 into quality, not virality. Clear visuals. Simple structure. You don't chase views. You build trust. Step 3. Connect content to systems your content leads to. Tools. Services. Resources. Content gives trust, gives action, gives income. Old content keeps working. New content strengthens the loop. System 5. You don't need more ideas. You need control. This system works because it attacks the real reason people stay broke. It's not about not making money. It's about money slipping away. Cash flows in and then just slips away. In different ways, like in subscriptions, fees, bad contracts, poor choices. Some people turn that chaos into a monthly income system. Here's how. Step 1. Use $100 to learn one boring skill that saves money, not marketing, not crypto, not trading. You learn how to audit expenses, compare contracts, optimize bills, reduce waste. These skills already exist in the real world. Examples: people who negotiate internet and phone bills, people who optimize SaaS subscriptions for businesses, people who reduce cloud or software costs. Companies already pay for this because it directly saves them money. Step 2. Practice on yourself first. This is critical. Before charging anyone, you do it for yourself. You analyze your subscriptions, your recurring expenses, your service providers. You cancel, you downgrade, you renegotiate. You don't guess. You document everything. Now you've done two things. You saved money, you created proof. Proof beats talent every time. Step 3. Offer a savings audit, not a service. This is where most people mess up. You don't say, I charge for my time. You say, I help you reduce your monthly expenses, and I only get paid if I save you money. This removes fear for the client. You charge a flat audit fee, or a percentage of the savings. Businesses love this model because it feels risk-free to them. Step 4. Turn it into a loop, not a job. Here's where the cash flow loop forms. Instead of one-time audits, you offer quarterly reviews, ongoing optimization, subscription monitoring. Client pays monthly. You review periodically. Same skill, same system. It's more stability. Step 5. Reinvest to strengthen control. Your income goes back into better tracking tools, automation, templates, reporting systems. Over time. You work less. Results improve. Clients stay longer. This is how consultants think. Consultants don't chase money, they control systems. Why this system works important? Because it saves money before trying to make money. It works in good and bad economies. Businesses already budget for it. It's boring. And boring systems last. Most people want exciting income. Exciting income disappears. Controlled income stays. If you want more videos that explain money in a way that actually makes sense, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Comment on which system you'd start with. This channel isn't about fast money. It's about building systems that quietly give you freedom over time.